Daily Life English Phrases. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel.
How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How's your day going? It's going fine. What's going on? Not much, just busy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How have you been? I've been good. What's your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I'm from Pune. What do you do? I work in an office. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Where do you live? I live near the city center. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I try to. What do you do in the morning? I get ready for work. Do you cook at home? Yes, sometimes. What do you do in the evening? I relax and watch TV. Are you working or studying? I'm working. What's your job role? I'm a sales executive. Is your work stressful? Sometimes, but it's manageable. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. What are you studying? I'm studying English. Can you help me? Yes, sure. Could you repeat that? Of course. Would you mind helping me? Not at all. Can I ask you something? Yes, go ahead. May I come in? Yes, please. Where is the washroom? It's over there. Is this place nearby? Yes, it's close. How can I get there? Take the next left. Is this the right way? Yes, you're going correctly. How far is it? It's about 10 minutes away. How much is this? It's 500 Indian rupees. Is there any discount? Yes, 10% off. What would you like to order? I'll have tea. Is it spicy? No, it's mild. Can I get the bill, please? Sure. Can I call you later? Yes, no problem. Is your phone on silent? Yes, it is. Do you use social media? Yes, I do. Is the internet working? Yes, it's working fine. Can you send me the link? Sure, I'll send it. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. Are you free now? Yes, I am. What are your plans today? I have some work. Shall we meet tomorrow? Yes, that works. Are you busy right now? A little, but I can talk. How do you feel today? I feel great. Are you tired? Yes, a bit. What do you think about this? I think it's good. Do you agree with me? Yes, I agree. How was your day? It was productive.
I'm sorry for being late. That's okay. Excuse me. Yes, thank you so much. You're welcome. Sorry, I didn't understand. No worries. Please forgive me. It's all right. Do you have siblings? Yes, one brother. Are you married? No, I'm not. Do you live with your family? Yes, I do. Are you close to your parents? Yes, very close. How often do you meet your friends on weekends? Are you feeling well? Yes, I'm fine. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I try to. Do you eat outside often? Not very often. Do you get enough sleep? Yes, mostly. Are you on a diet? No, not really. How's the weather today? It's pleasant. Is it going to rain? Maybe in the evening. Have you traveled recently? Yes, last month. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. How was your trip? It was amazing. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. Why are you learning English? For better communication. Is English difficult for you? Not anymore. How do you practice English? By speaking daily. Can you speak English fluently? I'm improving. I have to go now. Okay, talk later. See you later. See you. Take care. You too. Have a nice day. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Sure. What's the problem? Nothing serious. Is everything okay? Yes, everything's fine. Can we talk later? Yes, definitely. What happened? I missed the bus. Is this seat free? Yes, please sit. That sounds good. Yes, let's do it. I'm not sure. Let me check. It depends on the situation. I'll let you know. Okay. That makes sense. Exactly. What do you mean? I mean it's simple. Are you serious? Yes, I am. What's your opinion? I like it. Can we start now? Yes, let's start. Do you need anything? No, thank you. Is it okay with you? Yes, it's fine. What's the plan? We'll decide later. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. What should I do? Follow the instructions. Anything else? No, that's all.